today we will be programming a Nastec 4HS0504 on constant value mode. So first things first, what we need to ensure is we have IMV off and MOT off. So the way that we do that is we hit the red button twice if it's not already in the off position, and that will turn the inverter and the motor off. So next thing we need to do is access the installation parameters. So what we do there is we hit the up arrow, which is menu, enter to access. So we hit the enter button. Now we can see install parameters. So we need to hit the enter button again, and the password is 001. So the way that we do that is we hit enter, enter, up, and enter. Now that takes us into the settings for this particular pump. So as I said, we wanted to set this as a constant value mode. So in control mode, what we need to do is we hit the enter button, and we will notice that it's now flashing, and then we hit the down arrow to constant value. So once we see constant value, we hit the enter button. So now that's locked it in. So from here, we hit the down arrow. That's the units which are measured in bar with our pressure transducer. F-scale sensor also refers to the pressure transducer, which is a 0 to 16 bar pressure transducer. So that's the maximum. That's the minimum of the pressure transducer. Max alarm value is the pressure in which we want the pump to shut off at. So this particular pump has a maximum head of 5 bar and it has a minimum head of 2 bar. So for this instance, what we're going to do is we will set the constant value as 2.5 bar. So we will be setting the max alarm value at 3.5 bar. So generally what I would suggest doing is setting your max alarm value at 1 to 1.5 bar over and above your set point value. So the way that we do that is we hit the enter button and we scroll down until we achieve 3.5 bar. So every side is going to be different. So if you do need a hand with working out what pressures we need to input, feel free to reach out to Water Talk. So we've got 3.5 bar, we hit the enter button, and that's now locked it in. So minimum alarm value, we will leave at 0 for this instance. And we scroll down to set point value, which is already set on 2.5. So if we needed to adjust that, we would hit the enter button and up arrow to increase, down arrow to decrease. So we will lock that in at 2.5 bar. So now we are virtually good to go. So what we will do is we will hit the red button twice, which takes us back to our home screen, and we hit the green button once, and the pump will turn on and ramp up to 160 hertz. So what I will do now is I'll gate the valve back on the discharge, and you will notice that hertz will decrease and the pressure will remain pretty steady. So the pump is operating at 2.5 bar. And now what we will do is shut off the valve, which is going to achieve the maximum alarm value, and turn the pump off. So we've achieved our maximum alarm value. and the pump has turned off. So feel free to reach out to Water Talk if you need a hand with anything to do with your Nastec product. Thank you very much and have a great day.